Oh, hi. My name is Edwin Sarmiento, and I just wanted to invite you real quick to this year's Data Platform Summit. It's Asia's largest Microsoft Data Platform conference. Now, 2 years ago, I was a part of the conference, and it was amazing. Being in Bangalore, I kind of miss the city, the people, but well, we're all in this pandemic, so everyone's forced to stay home and lock yourself up and stay safe and stay healthy. Well, things happen. But here's the good news. The good news is that Data Platform Summit is going virtual, which means wherever you are, whatever time zone you're in, even time zones that I didn't even know existed, like a line island time zone. Who would have thought? Anyway, regardless of where you are, the point that I'm trying to make is wherever you are, whatever time zone you're in, you'll be able to catch the sessions. 24 hours, these sessions will be streamed live. The conference is going to be happening between the 2nd of December up until the 5th of December, and we will be joined by speakers from all over. People from the Microsoft product team, Microsoft certified masters like myself, Microsoft MVPs, technical experts from the world over. And like I said, you're probably watching this in your computer, so you will be able to catch these sessions at the comforts of your own home. And here's the beauty of this. In large conferences, you may want to watch one session, but you can't because there's also another session happening. No big deal. You can catch them because they're all recorded. So when you have free time, you can watch them, after the conference if you want to. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to learn about the Microsoft Data Platform solutions, whether you're on premises or on the cloud. Now, I'm going to be doing a regular session and a workshop. I want to talk to you real quick about the workshop. The workshop is called the SQL Server DBA's Guide to Docker Containers. Now, if you have either been voluntold or forced into getting yourself ready to deploy a SQL Server on Docker containers, this session is for you. Now, you might be wondering, wait, I don't have a background on Linux. I don't know what containers are. I don't know if I can do this. There's so many confusing information out there. Yes, I got you covered. This workshop is designed for database administrators, operational DBAs, or in engineering, whether you're a developer or a sysadmin who is now given the responsibility of deploying SQL Server on Docker containers. I'm going to walk you through the end-to-end process from beginning to end on, again, how to deploy SQL Server on Docker containers, regardless of whether you have a Linux background, a Docker background, or anything for that matter. This workshop is a snippet of my book, The SQL Server DBA's Guide to Docker Containers. So again, I invite you to join me and the rest of the people in the community to join us in this year's Data Platform Summit. And make sure you sign up for my workshop. I'm going to see you there.